Thank you. I don't hear anything from the index funds. Where are they? It really feels good to get back and be doing this in person. It's been 3 years, and it's a lot better seeing actual shareholders, owners, partners, and Charlie and I are now combined. If you're around for fractions, the two of us are 190 years old, and I really think you're entitled, if you're the owner of a company, and you've got two guys, 98 and 91, running the company, you're entitled to actually see them in person. I mean, it really shouldn't be too much to ask that. I mean, for example, if we had a manager someplace that was 98, I might want to send somebody by occasionally to see whether he was cutting about paper dolls or something. We probably do things that are a lot more foolish than cutting out paper dolls, but we're having a lot of fun doing it, and we really have a lot of fun when you come visit us. Actually, we had to go back a few years. We've had a couple of managers that suffered from dementia, probably many more, but I mean, I'm just a couple known ones actually. And there was one fellow that Charlie and I really loved, and he ran a business for us. Charlie was out in California. Charlie would see him occasionally, and I didn't see him, but everything seemed fine. And then we found out that he'd really been suffering from dementia for quite a while, and he really was a wonderful friend of both of ours. But the business had done fine, so that's become our test. Really, is that for new businesses, and we try to find something that a guy with Alzheimer's can run, actually, and and you don't have as much competition for businesses like that. The guy sitting there cutting out paper dolls, and that's our man. I'd like to introduce two fellows who really work at Berkshire. On Charlie's left, Greg Abel, who runs all the operations outside. Yeah. And next to him is, I ran the insurance business for about 15 years unsuccessfully, and then fortunately, the fellow on the far left came in one day, and I've written about it, but he came in on a Saturday, and I was opening the mail, and he said that he'd be happy to run our insurance business. I said, have you ever run an insurance business? And he said, no, and as I mentioned, I said, well, I never won one either, so I'm not doing so hot, so give it a try. And he transformed Berkshire Hathaway, and Ajit Jain is here with us.